Hey guys, it's Marissa from KRETZ Customs showing off another KRETZ Customs build. Now this one is going to be a Chevy 1500 and it's a new body style, so they look massive lifted. If you're looking to build yours, this is the video for you. KRETZ Customs added a 6-inch Rough Country suspension system on this. Now this is going to have the strut spacers, and Rough Country does have some different options for the builds, whether you're using it as a daily driver or if you're going to off-road in your truck. Giving a little bit more ground clearance, especially with these open fender wells. This is going to be the Fuel Contra, a 22 by 12 with a -44 offset. So when you're picking out your wheel and tire package, this offset does stick out about 4 inches past those factory fenders, so make sure you guys keep that in mind. Your tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35/12/50/22, and the Ridge Grappler is Nitto's hybrid tire, so you're going to get great performance, but also that aggressive look that everybody loves. If you guys like this build and you're ready to build yours, you guys can check the link in the description, or if you guys want to take advantage of our build now, pay later options, click there too.